Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to type degree symbol in your iPhone. If you have iPhone and want to type degree symbol, in this video I am going to show you how to type degree symbol. If you are writing any text message and want to type degree symbol, first of all go into your text message messages. Now click on any message and now and text click on to type text message. Now just as I want to type hi, today's temperature today's temperature is 12 degree celsius is 12 degree celsius. The to type degree celsius, you have to hold on zero and just slide left, and the degree symbol will be written on your text message. So like this you can write text message degree symbol in your iPhone. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Mobile phones.